Now we're gonna try to see if this power station will be able to run 45-inch TV. So let's go ahead, plug it in. Hello and welcome everyone to Variety Stick, and we back again for another video. In today's video I'll be testing portable power generator or power bank, power station, you can name it whatever you want, from SNUGMAX and the model Vickers 200. This is basically 222 watts equal to 60,000 milliamp. So without any further ado, let's find out. Before we go any further, I want to remind you that you can buy this unit from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description box if you are interested. And I believe it's a good time to buy this portable power charger right now because the price went from $299 to $189. So there is about $110 discount for a limited time only. So you guys can jump on it and make sure to take advantage of the new price discount. Now let's take a quick look on the main specification. Now the battery, it will be a lithium battery, and then we have 22 watts equal to 60,000 milliamp, and then a charging time 7 to 8 hours. You can recharge it again with the AC adapter that came with the box. And then we have 3 USB cords, we have C-type, and we have 2 AC, which is nice. It should support 100 to 24 volt as maximum. That means you won't be able actually to run refrigerator, vacuum, hair dryer, etc. And then it handles actually temperature from -10 Celsius to 40 Celsius. Now let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Alright, so the first thing we will see, that tells you actually this is user-friendly, has all the safety that you need, which is nice. And then we will have the user manual guide, actually that explains everything to you. In addition to this, you can also buy a solar charger. That actually unit supports a solar charger, which is always something nice to read the instruction books. And then we will have a box over here. I believe it comes with some accessory. Let's set this on the side. There you go. So the unit itself actually is small, very compact size, weight around 5 pounds, so you guys not gonna expect something heavy, and it's not gonna take any space, which is always a great thing. Let's take it out of the bag. There we go. We will have LCD screen. It's going to show you actually the grids, the level of the battery. We have DC output. I believe this is if you want to actually connect a car charger or something like that. And then we have a C-type. You can charge your Mac Pro. Some laptops actually support C-type. And we have 3 USB. And then we have 2 AC outputs over here. And then we have a handle where you can actually carry around. The build construction seems to me all plastic, but it's actually very good plastic, very solid, very rugged. And then we have actually cooler fan, so that actually is going to cool down in case if you've been using this for a while. Now just before we go actually to the units itself, let me show you the other box. First you will see actually a bag. I believe that's actually where you put the wiring and the charger. It's nice to get the accessory bag over here. Let's open it. And you will see the AC adapter to recharge the unit. And it takes from 7 to 8 hours as I mentioned before. There you go. And then we have actually adapter for the cigarette lighter, so if you have any devices, dash camera, phone charger, whatever, you can always use this as adapter, which is nice to see. And we have actually this basically to recharge the unit through your car, so in case if you're traveling, going outdoor activities and you need to recharge it back with your car, you will need to use this. Now what we're going to be doing actually, we're going to do some tests and we give you more information. Now let's come back to the unit itself. So basically all you have to do out of the box, if you want to turn it on, there is a key over here to power on, and then that LCD actually it's going to work. Now it's going to show you that's the mode it's on the AC output over here. That means you can use any AC up to 24 volt, 2 hours and 37 minutes. Now it's not fully charged, you can get more, absolutely, or you can go to the DC and you can just tap on that AC key over here, and that should change actually. That means you have 99 hours. That tells you actually how much remaining for the juice with the unit. Now if you just flip it from that side, we will see that we have flash over here. Now if you just push one time, it's gonna turn the flash on. Now if you press again, it's gonna actually start flicking actually, as you guys can see, and now it's gonna give you the OS emergency light, as you guys can see. If you switch again, it's gonna turn off the flash completely, which is very nice to have a flashlight with stuff like this, because you're probably gonna take it camping, or you're gonna do a lot of door activities, or you may have power outage where you need actually a flashlight. It's gonna be too handy for you. Now I just connected actually my iPad, as you guys can see it's charging, no problems, and then also through the AC output I connect my Mac Pro, as you guys can see also it's charging, and also my cell phone is charging, as you guys can see it's charging right now at 94%. It looks like charging fast, no problem or whatsoever. So for equipment like laptop, iPad, cell phone, like if you get this unit fully charged, 60,000 milliamp means you can recharge your cell phone 20 times in average, your Mac Pro around 5 to 6 times, which is great in my opinion. A tablet also is about the same as the cell phone. It depends on which model do you have, but you guys gonna expect 20 times to recharge your tablet or your cell phone, which is great in my opinion. Now we're gonna try to see if this power station will be able to run 45-inch TV. So let's go ahead, plug it in, and make sure your power station is on. And I see the TV start flashing. Let's go ahead and power the TV on. And it seems to me the TV it's running right now. Now if we look to the LCD on the power station, it's gonna tell us that you will be able to run your TV around 3 hours, and is not even fully charged. So I'm expecting you will get around 4 hours to run your TV through this power station, which is always nice that you can take a TV with you and not worry about find a power outlet. So this power station will be able also to run your TV. Also here I'm testing to see if this bug zapper is gonna work, since this is one of the main important things we need to take with us when we do any outdoor activities, or if we're gonna do a camping. There's a lot of bugs gonna be around, so it's always nice to have the bug zapper over here, and it seemed to me works great. Also I connected a fan. Also the fan is very important, especially if it's hot. So let's go ahead, turn the fan on, and you guys can see or also hear the fan noise, and it's on right now. So it seems to me everything works as what the company promised you. This is actually a good power station for emergency, or for some outdoor activities, or for emergency. Guys, are gonna find the link in the description box if you are interested to buy this power bank. As I said, limited time, a promotional price, $189. In my opinion, it's such a good price. So go ahead, hurry up, click on the link in the description box below. Now if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to Variety Stick if you haven't already, and I'm out.